Namaskar and hello everyone. Today is day 8 of series of short videos, one Excel formula a day. And today we are going to learn two new things. Let me get back to my Excel sheet. So now the number one thing we are going to learn today is how to add a QR code in your Excel sheet, and number two, how to add a Word document in your Excel sheet. Now, step one is to go to Insert tab, and here are under add-ins group there are two features: Get add-ins and My add-ins. So for the first time, when you are there to add a QR code, we have to get this from the add-in store, and just type QR and click on the search option. Now QR for Office is available over here. Click on Add, click on Continue, and a dialog box on the right hand side will appear. Now under this bar you can type in, or you can copy or paste the URL, the external reference, external resource that you wish, that you want to have in your QR code. I want to add this YouTube channels, Yep Education YouTube channels URL under this. Now I'm going to back to my sheet. I've copied that. I'm pasting it over here. Now, generally we see QR codes in this form, the black color, codes. You can change the color from here, and even the background color can be changed from here, right? So I'm keeping it white only. I've changed the QR color from black to blue, and I'm inserting. Now here is the QR code of the URL of our Yep Education YouTube channel. You can place it anywhere you wish to. You can resize it. It is so simple. Wonderful now. Now, number two thing is how to add. Now, sometimes we feel that there are certain features which are there in Word and we cannot replicate it in our this spreadsheet in Excel sheet, and you wish that those features should be over here as well. So now there is a feature wherein you can work simultaneously in your Word document as well as you can operate your Excel sheet. And how to go about that is insert and then come to this text. There's a drop down, go to object, click on object. This dialog box will open up, and now you have to locate what you have to add. You have to add Microsoft Word document. Okay, now here's my Word document. This is an attempt to, I'm working on my Word document. You can increase the size, and simultaneously you can work over here. You can apply the formula. So we have learned two new things today: how to add a QR code and how to add a Word document. Similarly, you can add PowerPoint as well. So explore more features and take care. We're gonna be meeting on day 9. This was day 8 for you. Take care. Bye bye.